We are now playing round 1, level 2 for 4,000 pesos. Bakit? Nagsisisi ka ba? Nagsisisi ka ba sa bluff na sagot mo?
Bluff.
Ha?
Parang okay naman po ako.
Okay, bluff bluff nga ba? Sino kaya ang papasok sa susunod na round? Please reveal now. Binibili ni Da Vinci ang mga ibon na binibenta. Tapos, tama sa Jose, pagdating sa bahay, pinakakawalan niya ang mga ibon. Okay. So, papakawalan ka na namin. Julian and Julian, thank you for playing with us. This way, please. Excuse me po. Excuse me po.
Tingnan ko, buksan ko na.
Buksan mo na.
Ingat kayo dyan, ha?
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
O, bakit? Ay! Eh, baboy. Habulin mo! Habulin mo yung baboy! Ay, bumalik! Ayun, nakita sila. Ay. Grabe, nabol ng baboy. Hoy! Congratulations, Barbie, Thea, Pauline, and Glyza. Kayo ang maglalaro sa ating round 2 at pabilisan ito sa pagbuo ng mga salita. Are you ready? Let's play. This is round 2 and this is Word War. First to score 15,000 points wins this round at siyang may chance makapaglaro sa ating jackpot game. Wow, ready na sila. And at this point, your scores will be reset to 0, please. Kamay sa likod. Here's your category. Ang bango.
Ako, init.
Ang init? Oo, totoo.
Napakainit.
Ay, na may nasusunog pa nga.
Ah, ganun ba?
Kinakain ko yan.
This is World War I. Go ahead, Glyza.
Flores de Mayo.
Flores de Mayo, is it correct? Bluffboard, please reveal. Flores de Mayo is correct! You have 5,000, Glyza. Okay, Barbie and Pauline, here's your category. Wag sana.
Shake, rattle, snake.
Shake, rattle, snake.
Nakakatakot? Okay.
Natry ko na yan.
Kinakain mo?
Nahilo ako.
Okay. This is World War II. Go ahead, Barbie.
Earthquake.
Earthquake, is it correct? Bluffboard, please reveal. Earthquake is correct! You also have 5,000 Swiss players, please. Tay, it's your turn again, and Glyza, here's your category. Happy Fiesta!
Happy Fiesta, Direk Uro de la Cruz.
Happy Fiesta, Direk Oro. Bakit?
Wala lang.
Happy Fiesta, Aiza Sigera.
Happy Fiesta, Aiza.
Happy Fiesta sa Mata, Canada.
Aha. Happy Fiesta din sana sa inyo. Tingin sa Bluffboard. This is World War III. Go ahead, Glyza.
Pahiyas.
Pahiyas, is it correct? Bluffboard, please reveal. Pahiyas is correct. Pauline and Glyza, you already have 10,000. Sino kaya maglalaro sa jackpot game? Here's your category. Uy!
Kayo yan.
Ako yan.
Si Jose, manalo po yan.
This is World War IV. Go ahead, Barbie.
Crush ng bayan.
Crush ng bayan! Si Jose, is it correct? Blackboard, please reveal. Crush ng bayan is correct. Galing! Ayan na! Ayan na! Here's your category. Uso yan.
So, internet.
Internet.
Wala, yoko niyan.
Meron kayo niyan.
And this is World War V.
Nako.
Dub
Tay.
smash.
Dub smash. Is it correct? Dub smash is real. Dub smash is, of course, correct. Congratulations, Pauline and Glyza. You played very well. Thank you, Glyza. Balik ulit. Huwag kang mapagod. Huwag kang mapagod.
Ay, mag-ingat kayo dyan, ha?
Bye! Bye!
Ingat kayo!
Naku, nasa ng pison! Ay!
Parang barko.
Congratulations to the half-sisters, Barbie and Thea! Sige lang sa girls, meron kami isang tanong, 6 na posibleng tamang sagot, pero 4 lang ang tama. Tandaan ninyo, sa round na ito, ang sigurado ay...
Panalo!
Let's play round 3, and this is the final 4. Each correct answer is worth 25,000 pesos. 4 perfect answers is equivalent to 100,000 pesos. Plus a chance, titig na titig ka, Thea, to play for a jackpot round worth 500,000 pesos. Nice! Wow! Diba? Sana mauwi nyo. First, you have to choose for your category, Bluffboard, ano ang mga categories? The worst and the list.
The worst.
The worst. Oh my God. I hope this is not the worst for you because this is the best. And Celebrity Bluff will be right back. This is season 10. Round with the half-sisters and they chose
The worst.
the worst. Mata-mata lang nagkaintindihan. And for 100,000 pesos, here is your worst question. Ayon sa Transparency International, isang grupong nagmamonitor ng political and corporate corruption sa mundo, alin sa mga sumusunod na bansa ang pinaka-corrupt? At narito ang 6 na posibleng tamang sagot. Afghanistan, Sudan, Libya, North Korea, Somalia, Iraq. Please choose 4.
Iraq.
Iraq, please.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, please.
Well done ba, ma'am? Well done.
Malaki. Libya.
Libya, please.
At Somalia.
Somalia, please. Huh. Okay, gang na mamamams.
Sudan, piliin niyo yung Sudan.
North Korea.
Bakit?
Eh, hindi nila pinili.
Ay, iba lang naman. Tama naman din.
Yes, Jose.
Oh, yung Sudan.
Tsaka North Korea.
Ako North Korea.
Hindi nyo nga pinili.
Tanggalin mo yung yung Iraq.
Tanggalin niyo yung Afghanistan.
Tanggalin mo yung Libya.
Tanggalin mo
Tsaka yung
Somalia.
At tanggal na lahat, yung dalawa na lang.
Narinig nyo ang opinion ng ating mga gang na mamamams. May chance pa kayo to correct or not. 30 seconds and your timer starts now.
Ako, tama na yan.
Ay, naku.
Don't waste your time.
Oo eh. Parang okay na kami. Yes.
Okay na kayo? Parang okay na kayo sa Afghanistan, Somalia, Libya, and Iraq. Half-sisters, your time is up. Let's reveal. Afghanistan. For 25,000, is it a fact? Yay! Woo!
Ayan na. Oh.
25,000! Barbie and Thea, yan na. Okay. Ang saya, may 25,000 na. Mukhang hindi ito ang worst, ano? Sana mauwi nila ang 100,000 because you are the best. Our sisters, umabot na ng 1 taon. The best!
Yeah.
Kami nga magti 3 years na eh. Celebrity Bluff will be right back. This is season 10. Going to year 3. Barbie! Okay, dagdagan natin. For 50,000, we reveal Somalia. Somalia for 50,000. Is it a fact? Yay!
Sa kanya naman.
Mahal ba lang?
Half-half talaga. Half-half sisters. For 75,000. Feel? Huh? Libya for 75,000. Is it a fact? Oh! Uy, hindi sayang because you have 50,000. 50-50 talaga, half-half.
Yes.
So, thank you for joining us tonight. Next week ulit dito lang sa
Celebrity Blast Season 10!
Thank you.